This will be a quick unboxing for DJI FPV COMBO. This is a drone with goggles that you can see where it flies. It has a traditional remote control and something that is not included in this kit. This is a hand remote control that by the movement of your hand it will rotate and move the drone itself. So let's do an unboxing for the brand new kit that has just arrived. Wow, this is pretty nice drone, I have to admit. So we have the goggles, everything is brand new of course, and we have the drone itself with stickers, and the propellers are not assembled yet, so I will put it aside and see what other things we have in this box. So of course we have the remote control. I see that these are propellers, and this is all the kit that includes cables and a case for the goggles. Let's see, we put everything aside. So we have additional 4 boxes. So here is the remote control. Bottom side, top side. And let's start with the small boxes and see what we have in each box. So box number 1, this is a random box. You can see we have the propellers. So a set of 4 propellers for each of the motors, of course. And we have another set. Probably this is a spare set. So because it looks, yes, exactly the same. So I guess we have 2 sets of the propellers. Let's put it aside and see this box. Probably these are the batteries. By the weight, I can tell it's not written anything. Okay, so not just the battery, probably this is the goggles battery, which is connected with a cable, and it is almost fully discharged. This is of course for safety reasons. And we have the charger. This is the charger probably for the main battery of the drone. So I'm missing 1 battery, so probably this will be, I guess, the battery of the drone itself. If I will be able to open it. So this is some kind of cover. No, so probably the battery is on the drone. I didn't check. There are many cables. Whoa. So many cables here. Let's go over the cables and see what we have. So this is the power cord, of course, for the power supply. I will put it aside. And there we have, I think this is the connector from the goggles to the external battery. And we have another USB, by the way, USB Type-C. This is also USB Type-C to a regular USB, probably to the computer. And here we have these are the antennas, and this is, I don't know what it is. This is the strap for the goggles to connect. Yes, this is the head strap to connect it to your head. And here we have antennas. The antennas are connected on the goggles itself, so we have 4 antennas. I think they are all the same. I think so. No difference between the antennas. And we have here another adapter. I don't know the purpose of this one yet, but I will read in the manual. And this is a cover for the drone if you want to have another color than the colors that it came with, or maybe it didn't come. Yes, you see the battery is already installed inside. And by the way, the battery is fully discharged. And how it goes out. I don't know yet how to take the battery. Probably. I don't know. I will read the manual how to take the battery out of the drone, but it is fully discharged. And we have here an Allen screw, Allen driver for screws. I don't know which screws. And we have here 2, I don't know what, maybe this is, yes, this is for the drone itself, for the controller. Yes, of course, you have to put it on the drone. By the way, there is additional spare of the drone for moving the drone. So these 2 sticks, you have additional sticks on the side, and this is a type C for the controller. By the way, the controller is 2 bars, so it is a little charged. Let's say probably 40 or 50% charge. And that's all. So one thing I don't know yet is how to remove the battery. Probably this is, yes, this is the connector, and you just press on both sides of the battery and you take it out, and that's all. Oh, by the way, there is some materials that cover this area of the drone, probably because it is brand new and not used. The drone is not very heavy, but I guess it's around, my estimation, it's around 400 grams. We'll check it later accurately. And that's also need to charge, of course, the battery. And how do we charge the battery? Probably when there is no, this is just the connection. So probably you charge it through the drone itself. This is my estimation. Let's see if we have a type C. Let's look at our USB. So you probably just plug it like this to the battery, and this is how you charge it. So you need to take out the battery or just the plug and connect it directly to this power supply. I didn't read anything, so this is just by looking. The battery, just curious about the battery voltage, so needs to read. It's hard to see the numbers, very small. 22.2 volts nominal and the current is 2000 milliamp hours. So 2 amp hours, 22.2 volts battery, probably lipo cells inside this box, and that's all. Next thing is of course to try connect everything, charge the batteries, and do a first test. About the propellers, it's a little confusing. There are two sets, but one is written A and one is written B. And as you know or you don't know, there are different propellers for different motors. So when you open it, it is marking by stickers. You can see it A, B and B. So overall you have a spare propellers. You have 4 in each box. So the A have a red marking in the motor itself. So you have also a red marking on the propeller, and the B doesn't have this marking. So this is how you know which propeller to put where and how to put it. So eventually it should be very simple. Just click and plug it and it's all ready to go. So let's do a try. This propeller is B because it doesn't have a marking. So all you have to do is just put it where you can press. There are not all the places around the motor you can press. So you have a specific place where you can press it down. So you need to go to this specific place, and then when you have it, just press down. Okay, and if you can't find it, so you can catch the motor with your hand and just now press, and rotate it to the side that you feel it is catch. It is anti-clockwise. So this is propeller number B, and this is also propeller B. I will show it again on the other side. So you just press it and then in the middle and then anti-clockwise. Oh, this was the propeller is going anti-clockwise and the motor is clockwise. And let's go to sets A. So this A, don't mix with this because otherwise your drone will crash as you run it for the first time. So again, pressing, and this one is the propeller is clockwise. So you just need to feel when it is catch in its place. It's not very sophisticated. It's very simple on the first run to do it right. And then after you do it, just check that everything is free and rotating well, and then you are done. So thank you and bye.